Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy NightBanditCam. We just got done with a big snowstorm. Look at this. It's like a foot deep. And look. I'm just burning some trash. This may be a short vlog. Damn. Too cold to not have a toboggan on. Yeah, buddy. Watch out. Damn near blew myself up. Yep. Damn. Too damn cold to be doing this. Carter and the witch's titty. Yeah, I can't get this stuff off the bottom of the snow off or up, so I just burn the trash on top of it. This is a fire pit, if you haven't seen in my last couple of vlogs. Bet you can't see it right now. Because it's covered in snow. Burn! So I can go back inside. Damn. Cold. My ears are numb already. I'm just complaining, I know. maybe one day I might take you all up to there. There's like a path that goes all the way up through there on top of that mountain. Yeah. Watch out. Damn. That fell. That'd be something funny to vlog, wouldn't it? Man, that trash stinks. Whew. Holy shit. Holy shit, Batman. Alright, I'll see y'all in a little bit. What's up, everybody? I'm back. Somebody was out on the porch talking on the phone, so. Holy crap, it snowed deep. I'm gonna be soaked by the time I'm done. At least over here I got a little bit flat. Watch out. See you guys in a little bit. Yo! So, yeah, this is our snow. Was y'all saying it earlier? It snowed quite a bit. Yeah. I'll see y'all next time in the next video. Keep them positive vibes going. Peace.